Top 5 cardio exercises to lose weight. Losing weight is a common goal for many people, and cardio exercises are an excellent way to burn calories, improve heart health, and shed those extra pounds. Here are the top 5 cardio exercises that can help you on your weight loss journey. 1. Running. Running is one of the most efficient ways to burn calories. Depending on your speed and weight, you can burn anywhere from 600 to 1,000 calories per hour. It's a high-impact exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, from your legs to your core. Start with a mix of walking and running if you're a beginner. Use proper running shoes to prevent injuries. Mix up your routine with intervals, alternating between high-intensity sprints and moderate jogging. 2. Cycling. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints, but still provides an intense workout. Whether you prefer outdoor biking or stationary cycling, this exercise can burn between 400 to 700 calories per hour. Adjust your bike settings to ensure proper posture. Include hill climbs or high-resistance intervals to challenge yourself. Join a cycling class for motivation and guidance. 3. Swimming. Swimming is a full-body workout that not only helps you lose weight, but also tones muscles and improves cardiovascular health. An hour of vigorous swimming can burn around 500 to 700 calories. Mix different strokes, freestyle, breaststroke, butterfly, to engage various muscle groups. Swim in intervals, alternating between high and low intensity. Consider joining a swim club or taking lessons to improve your technique. 4. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a high-intensity workout that can burn up to 1,000 calories per hour. It's great for improving coordination, agility, and cardiovascular endurance. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration. Use a properly sized rope to avoid tripping. Incorporate different jump techniques, such as single leg jumps, double unders, and crisscrosses to keep it interesting. 5. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training keeps your heart rate elevated, maximizing calorie burn even after your workout is over. A typical HIIT session can burn between 500 to 900 calories per hour. Include a variety of exercises, such as burpees, jumping jacks, and sprints. Keep the intensity high during work periods and rest completely during recovery. Start with shorter sessions and increase the duration as you build endurance. Incorporating these cardio exercises into your routine can significantly boost your weight loss efforts. Remember to combine them with a balanced diet and strength training for the best results. As always, consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and watch the pounds melt away.